Good day, and welcome to X News Today. I'm Stephanie Anamu, bringing you the top story on Nigeria, where in a significant ruling reinforcing accountability within security agencies, Justice Musa Kaakaki of the Federal High Court sitting in Ikoyi, Lagos, has ordered the Nigeria Police Force (NPF) to pay 30 million naira in damages to prominent human rights activist, journalist, and former presidential candidate Omoyele Sowore. The judgment stems from a fundamental rights enforcement suit filed by Sowore, challenging the Lagos State Police Command's decision to publicly declare him wanted in October 2025, with the declaration formalized on November 3, 2025. The court found that the action, led by Lagos State Commissioner of Police Moshood Jimoh and involving Inspector General of Police Kayode Egbetokun, was illegal, unconstitutional, lacked judicial backing, and constituted a gross violation of Sowore's fundamental rights. Justice Kaakaki described the police conduct as an abuse of power and a clear breach of constitutional provisions protecting personal liberty and dignity. The ruling condemned the declaration as unjustified and awarded the 30 million naira as compensation for the infringement. Reacting to the verdict via his verified X account, Sowore described the decision as the third time Nigerian courts have awarded damages against federal government agencies in his favor. He referenced two prior unrewarded judgments against the Department of State Services, DSS, one involving the illegal seizure of his phones during his 2019 arrest, linked to the #revolution protests, awarded by Justice Unwulie Chekere, another for his abduction inside a courtroom, awarded by Justice Egbetokun. Sowore accused security institutions of selective obedience to court orders, aggressively demanding public compliance while routinely ignoring adverse judgments against themselves, and labeled the pattern as institutional hypocrisy and decadence. He vowed to pursue lawful enforcement of all three judgment debts and pledged that any recovered funds would not be used for personal gain. Instead, he announced plans to redirect the money to support vulnerable groups, including residents of Shoki displaced by recent demolitions, underpaid or abandoned retired police officers and teachers, student activists facing repression, other victims of state injustice. The activist's post included a widely shared video clip showing him energetically pounding yam, a cultural staple, which many online commentators interpreted as a symbol of his resilience and determination amid prolonged legal and political battles. The ruling has sparked widespread reactions on social media, with supporters hailing it as a rare victory for citizens against state overreach, while critics of the police question enforcement prospects given the history of non-compliance with similar court orders. As of February 22, 2026, reports indicate the Nigeria Police Force has already signaled intent to challenge the judgment on appeal, arguing that the wanted declaration was intelligence-guided and necessary. This latest development adds to Sowore's long record of confrontations with Nigerian security agencies since his prominent role in the #BringBackOurGirls campaign and his 2019 presidential run under the African Action Congress, AAC. That's it for now on X News Today. Stay tuned for more updates and thank you for watching.